Hello, I'm Steve Hansen, panoramic landscape photographer, and here's a quick tip for you for Photo Tip Friday. We're out here in a really windy scenario, and wind, as you know, is a landscape photographer's worst nightmare. So I want to show you a quick tip on how to keep your tripod secure. You'll notice on many tripods, they'll have this little hook on the bottom if they don't have a center column, and that's for holding a sandbag or something that can kind of add some weight to your tripod to keep it from vibrating. But I just have my backpack on hand, and I will actually just attach that to the tripod to add a good extra 20-30 pounds to the tripod, and you can already tell this is night and day. It's a night and day difference for your photography. Last thing I would do is just put my jacket in front of the camera, block the wind, and there you go. If you'd like to see more of these tips, head on over to my latest class on KelbyOne.com.